Welcome back. In this video, I will show you how to type Lambda symbol on keyboard. This is the on-screen keyboard. And for the lowercase Lambda symbol, you need to put the backslash and type Lambda. Lambda and press this space bar like this one. And for the uppercase, you need to put the backslash and L capital and A. MBDA and hit this space bar and it is. Another way is that you need to type 03BB and press Alt and X all together. This will convert this code instantly to the lowercase lambda symbol. For the uppercase, you need to type 039B and press Alt and X. Another way is that you need to hold down the Alt key. This is the Alt key, and on the numeric side keypad, you need to press 955 and release this Alt key. And for the uppercase, you need to press this Alt key, and on the numeric side keypad, you need to press 923 and release this Alt key. So I hope you understand how you can type Lambda symbol on keyboard. If you think this video is helpful, please support my channel. Thanks for watching.